Hi guys, for those of you who are subscribed to my channel because of the gardening videos, been cheating on you a little bit. Just haven't had time to film, so I'm gonna give you a little tour and show you something super exciting. That's why I decided to make the video. But this is my mint, as you know, from last year. It's not doing great because we had some cold days that are now over. Over here it's the other mint, and I just noticed that something it's nibbling on it over here, so I'm gonna have to investigate that. But I'm gonna take you to the other places now. So since gosh, I don't know, maybe September, I haven't had to buy any parsley because I have plenty of it. This one over here, it's gonna give me some seeds, and this one over here, it's gonna give me some seeds. And then here is the dill. I have more. There is another container with dill. I have more dill than I can eat, and I actually ended up freezing a lot of it, chopping it and putting it in the freezer. All right, we'll move along. And this is one of the patches with salad, which we can't keep up with. It grows faster than we can eat it. So I haven't bought any salad since probably the same thing, October, I think. Over here I had radishes that we all ate them all. Over here I had a cucumber plant that died from the cold. There is more salad here. I'll go to the raised garden bed now. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. This is my bougainvillea bush. I have 3 of them, and they didn't die, but got frostbite when we had really cold weather. The landscapers chopped them down, and you can see the new growth already. So it's not gonna take very long, and it's gonna be nice and bushy again. This one over here, the Baja fairy dust. The Baja fairy duster, I think it was called. It's doing well. Didn't get affected by the freezes at all. And as I said in another video, this one is a really good pollinator or bee attractor. There you can see. Where did she go? There was one bee over here, somewhere down there. There it is. And oh, look at that's gonna make a great video. Right there. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I'm addicted to bees. Focus, focus, focus. There she is, working away. All right, moving along. So when I say that I have more salad that we can eat, we have more salad than we can eat. So it's a good return on investment. And over here I have scallions. I'm eating those pretty regularly. Actually, there were a lot of scallions in the other little garden too, but I already ate those. And over here I have some romaine lettuce. I pick it for salads every now and then. And my spinach, I don't know what's up with it. It's kind of, it's struggling a little bit, and I can see why. Look at that. Hello there. Is he eating my spinach? Hi. Hi, cutie. Wait, don't go. Anyway, but you know, in the summer, salad like this over here, that's really dangerous to pick because I have no idea what's hiding in there. So usually I bring a stick with me and I kind of poke around it first in case there are any snakes, so the snakes come out. Haven't seen any yet, but my scallions are doing really good. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna go show you the exciting stuff now, at least the stuff that makes me excited. By the way, this is what the desert behind the house looks like. I can't even call it a desert anymore. It ain't desert, I can tell you that. Look at that. You can hardly see the cacti from these yellow flowers. So I think the yellow flowers are called mustard flowers, and when you chew on them, look at my plastic. I was wondering where it was. There it is. Jesus. They taste like mustard. So I believe the natives... Butterfly. Man, I'm easily distracted. But I hardly ever see butterflies here. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. That's all the zoom I can do. I'm quite a ways from there, actually. I'm hanging on the fence. Anyway, moving along to the exciting stuff. By the way, things that you see in the videos like this, like my parsley, looks a little woozy right now. It's not because I don't take care of it, but it's in the middle of the day and it's probably 75, 78 degrees maybe. So they do get a little woozy during the day, but then they perk out again at night. Perk up, I should say. Alright, so this is the exciting stuff that I was gonna show you. So this is my grapefruit tree. That whole thing over there, and it was really struggling. Both the grapefruit and the orange tree, they went through some sort of a shock last year, lost all the blossoms, and whatever fruit they formed, they lost it. But look at that. I mean, it is just covered with little buds. Over here, I've never so we've been here for I think 6 years now, or 7, 6, I'm not sure. I've never seen that many blossoms on it. And for those of you who have been following my gardening videos for a while now, you've seen the grapefruit that this tree produces. They're huge and they're pink on the inside, and they are the sweetest grapefruit I have ever had. Look at that. Oh goodness, ain't that beautiful? Mother Nature knows its job. I'm assuming the tree was tired, or I don't know, needed to take a break. The same as the orange tree. Let me see. There, I mean, the tree hardly has any leaves, but it's covered in blossoms, and a lot of them are gonna drop. So if your orange or grapefruit or lemon tree, it's dropping blossoms, don't worry about it, it's normal. It absolutely cannot produce fruit from every blossom. Citrus tree usually produce only about, I believe 6% of what you see as blossoms becomes fruit. I think it was 6 or 4%. But if you do 4, even if you do 3% in that tree, I would call that a success. Alright, we'll go to the orange tree now. So this is actually underneath the orange tree, but as you can see, a lot of blossoms have dropped, and I am not concerned at all, because look at that. That is going to smell awesome in a few days. And it's gonna have so many bees. Again, for those of you who have watched my videos for a while, you know what a madhouse becomes here with bees when this tree is blossoming. But again, with the orange tree, just like with the grapefruit tree, maybe I say this every year. I don't know, I'm losing it. At least I don't recall seeing that many blossoms. I gotta go through my old videos. But I really don't remember anything like it. Look at that. This is going to look and smell so beautiful. And by the way, these oranges are so sweet. I'm not quite sure what kind of oranges they are, but they're really sweet, and they hardly have any seeds. And for those of you who haven't been on my channel for a while, or are new to my channel, I should say, So as you can see, my trees, so the fence, it's about, I think, maybe less than 6 feet tall. And this is how tall my trees are. So I have to keep them, I have to constantly trim them and keep them below the, below that. Look at these blossoms here. So I have to keep them below that because the HOA here doesn't allow citrus tree because they're not native to the desert. But when we moved to the house, they were already here, so I wasn't about to kill them. So we just have to keep them trimmed so they're below the fence line. Look at that. How beautiful. I'm sorry, I get excited watching trees blossom. And I'm sorry I'm whispering, but it's Sunday, it's quite early in the morning, everyone is still sleeping. And there is Sasha wandering around with her camera, filming stuff, talking to herself, as usual. Alright, that's all I had to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I haven't done many gardening videos. Many reasons, maybe I'll tell you one day. Alright, you all have a great Sunday or Monday. I hope I post this today. Bye guys. I love you all.